Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the SafePal Wallet application, which is a versatile crypto wallet that is designed for users who value security and convenience. So if you are thinking about using this wallet in 2025, we will cover its standout features, benefits and limitations. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So the SafePal wallet is a non-custodial crypto wallet that supports both hardware and software solutions for storing and managing cryptocurrencies. It is backed by Binance Labs and caters to the users who want a secure and easy way to manage the assets across multiple blockchains. Now let's talk about some of its features and pros. So the SafePal supports over 100 blockchains and 10,000 plus cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Coin, and more. The app includes a secure browser for accessing the decentralized applications like DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and token swaps. The SafePal offers seamless synchronization between its hardware wallet, software wallet, and mobile application. It is designed with simplicity in mind, so the application is intuitive and easy to navigate for both beginners and experienced users. SafePal also provides the robust security features like the private key, self-custody, seed phrase backups, and multi-layer encryption. You can also view, store, and trade your NFTs directly within the wallet. Now, there are some of the limitations for this wallet, like you get limited desktop support because it is primarily focused on the mobile and the hardware wallet integration. The second con is that the advanced DeFi features may feel overwhelming for the casual users, and the dependency on the hardware wallet for maximum security might be a drawback for those who prefer only the app-based solutions. So the SafePal wallet application is a fantastic choice for those who are seeking a secure, versatile wallet to manage the cryptocurrencies and NFTs across multiple chains. However, the desktop users or those who are seeking simplicity might find better alternatives. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.